English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 45.
I am going to arrange a training course.
I am going to arrange a training course. They are going to arrange a training course. He is going to arrange a training course.
They're really busy. They're not going to join us for the meeting. There's no paper for the printer. Are you going to order some more?
I am going to order new stationery supplies this afternoon. They are not going to invest a lot of money next year. He is going to travel by plane and then taxi to the meeting. Are you going to meet with the suppliers next week? We are going to buy the best quality business cards we can.
Mr. Basir is going to arrive at 10 a.m. Can you please meet him at reception? We're going to travel by plane. Make sure you have your passports. She's not going to make it to the meeting. Can you let her know what happens? We're going to give everyone leaflets. We should email the printers today. You're going to join a new team soon. It's good to work with different people. He's going to retire at the end of the year. He wants to spend more time playing golf.
We've still got a few things that we have to do before the sales conference.
I know. I'm going to finish my to-do list and delegate some tasks today.
I'm going to arrange the catering this morning. We're going to need lots of refreshments for 800 people.
Jonah's going to call the printers this morning too. We need to check all the designs before they print the posters and business cards.
Are you going to contact the conference venue, Elizabeth? We need to check that all the rooms have both data projectors and flip charts.
Yes, that's already on my to-do list. One last thing that I'm going to do is ask Leon to work on the information desk during the conference. I'll email you later, Paolo, to let you know how I do today.
Great. Thanks, Elizabeth. I'll let you know what the caterers say when I've spoken to them. See you later.
Yes, bye for now.
Can you serve the refreshments, please?
Could we possibly move the time of the meeting?
Please, could you call our suppliers? Could you come to my office? Why don't we discuss this at the meeting? Can you tell me when it's finished, please? Could we move these files? Could you send the design to the printers? Can you help me with these figures, please?
Could you serve the refreshments? Can you help me move this cupboard? Could you be a little neater, please? Can you finish the design soon, please? Could we meet at 5 instead of 6? Could you possibly send me the report today? Can you clean up the meeting room?
To Ylfi Larsson. Subject: Conference Preparations. Hello, Ylfi. Following our meeting yesterday, I have some more news about the plans for the sales conference. I spoke to Diego this morning about the refreshments, and he's going to call Concater Ltd. today to make arrangements. Sven is going to meet the printers about the posters and leaflets this afternoon. He's going to email us after the meeting when he has more news about prices. We need to move ahead ASAP on the printing. I've emailed Diane, and she's going to work on the information desk during the conference. Agnes is going to organize lanyards for all the delegates to wear. Could you arrange for the names to be printed for the lanyards, please? I'm just going to email the venue to check that the rooms all have projectors and an internet connection. I'll email you later with a further update. Best, Simon.
Diego is going to arrange the refreshments for the conference. Sven is going to meet the printers in the afternoon. Diane is going to work on the information desk. All the delegates are going to wear lanyards during the conference. Simon is going to check that the rooms all have projectors and an internet connection.
End of Lesson 45.